Sliding lateral lunges, an amazing way to strengthen the lateral hips, improve groin or adductor mobility, working in or outer hip thigh, and also getting you out of just true up, down, front to back linear motions. That side to side action is critical for health and performance, and again, complete lower body development. So you want to use either a slide board or fitness sliders or furniture sliders on carpet or turf. You can even use, if you're really in a budget situation or you're caught in a bad situation, you can go with socks on a wooden floor, paper plates on a wooden floor. You'll make it work. But one thing to note, you're doing 90 seconds each leg with a slow out and pause. So eccentric, isometric, take about 3 to 4 seconds out, pause for 1 to 2 seconds before bringing it back in. 90 seconds each leg for 3 minutes total. So you want quick switches. If you're using slides or a slide board, put the booties on both feet so you can quickly switch and go right into it. Always start weak side. So here we go. I'm gonna get set up, trying to keep my hips and shoulders square, all right? And you might want on this leg, you might find a natural toe flare is better for you based on hip anatomy and mechanics. Just find a way to make it work for you. I'm gonna keep most of my weight on this leg. And this is all about really a range of motion progression. I don't really wanna worry about loading this up. I wanna get you in more ranges of motion, kind of built-in mobility here. So I'm gonna slide out to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause for a 1, 2, and then use my adductors to pull me back. Inner thigh groin, just zipping up the middle of that body, all right? You start by ideally getting to the point where the fingertips will touch the bench, keeping the chest up, shoulders always higher than the hips, but you are hinging here. So again, as long as the back is flat, you're in a good position. Bring it back. Progression is coming to the knuckles or fists. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause and keep tension in this leg too. Keep the thigh tense, engage, pull yourself right back up. Over the course of the month, of this first month, getting mobility through this and the adductors, inner thigh, hips, is gonna pay big dividends to a lot of movements that we do. But again, a lot of the gains you're missing is because your body can't go through enough ranges of motion and all planes of motion. So we're gonna try to get that with this sequence.